Is this thing on? We're going to Veg Fest. Ooh, let's go. Ooh, super excited today. So excited today, you guys. Seriously, like beyond. So Veg Fest is today and it's here in my town. I've been dying to go to a Veg Fest, but it's always so far away. It's always in California or Canada, or I think Canada, you know, far away places. But they're here in my town. So I'm super duper excited. I got my avocado-aholic shirt on and I can finally just eat whatever and no research is involved. I could just pick whatever I want and no worries about asking if there's butter, milk, cheese in there. I can just eat. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's get veg. Let's get veg. Let's go. Look what I have. What's this called? A gyro.
Oh, gyro.
Gyro. And my daughter here, Nate, what do you have here?
Hardcore herbivore is eating buffalo chicken cheesesteak with blue cheese.
Blue cheese. That looks delish. How is that?
So good.
Is it really? How excited are you right now?
I'm really excited. All my people are here. Tatted up vegans.
We're super excited. After this, I think we're gonna have dessert, right? What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me have a bite of this.
Look at my shirt, everybody.
All right, let's take a bite. I just spilled it on my shirt, didn't I? So, their gyro is roasted chickpeas, onions. What else was in here? Greek olives, and I think like Greek, I don't know, I think like
sauce.
vegan cheese or something, some kind of sauce. Look,
This was like worth waiting in a really long line for.
it's so good. How's that?
So good.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Try my thing.
How the heck do I try? I need 2 hands to eat this.
This is chicken here?
Yeah, but I need 2 hands to eat this.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my god, don't take half of it.
I'm just gonna take a bite. Hold on to it, good.
Here we go. Just took half my meat.
You want to get away from the
Oh my god. Wow, that's good.
I know.
So we're having a blast. Everybody's here. Say hi. We're all having gyros and all kinds of good
You wanna
vegan
try?
food. And after this, I don't know. Who knows? Okay, guys. How was your smoothie? Your
I had an iced coffee.
It's good?
So good.
Hey, Maddie, how's your... What was it called? The sunrise? Sunrise. Tastes really good, nice and fresh. refreshing. This hot day, we're sweating here.
It's so hot out.
Oh my gosh.
But it's okay, because I love the sun. Oh, what was that?
We found a little shade spot quick. I just wanted to get this in. Delish.
I really want some vegan treats.
Yeah, that's our next stop. We're gonna go check out Vegan Treats, our favorite bakery. You guys may know because
You watched our previous videos.
Yeah, I've done donuts. What else have we done? Oh, I did the cake for Valentine's Day, so check it out if you haven't seen it. But we're gonna head over there now and see what they have.
All right, let's go. I want it. Cheers.
Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm here with Sally.
Hi, loves.
And she has a YouTube channel as well, and she's traveling all over the country, right?
Yes.
And in her van to share. I let her tell her story.
Yes, to speak stories of compassion for the earth, animals, and people. One of the things that I am doing in order to help encourage people to make more compassionate choices, I'm visiting as many farm animal sanctuaries as possible and showing people what animals are like in person, their personalities, and how they're really just like us.
I know.
And so hopefully that will encourage people to make more compassionate choices. And it is not necessarily about, even though I consider myself a vegan activist, it's not about necessarily going vegan right away. I want people to just, every time they purchase something, to think about how the animals, how the earth, and how other people are affected by that purchase. So it doesn't matter if it's like a t-shirt or a taco.
Right. It's more about your journey.
Okay, wait, here, I'm gonna, I forgot, sorry. Whoops.
So we're trying to look at
We're
us
gonna
here.
do, yeah, we're gonna do the both.
Equipment's here.
I love it! Yay!
And let them, what's your YouTube channel so they can
okay,
follow
so
you on there?
my YouTube channel is @CompassionVan. You can find me across all social media @CompassionVan. Instagram, Facebook, all of it.
There you go, guys. Be sure to follow her on there, okay?
Yay! Let's talk Bethlehem Veg Fest.
Yes.
Have you eaten anything yet today?
I did. I had, what did I have? Oh, I had the gyro.
Oh, the gyro.
That was good. It was roasted chickpeas
Yes.
with tomatoes and onions. That was so good.
I love all things chickpea.
Yeah, oh my gosh, yeah. I made hummus too. I love hummus.
Yeah, I love
So
hummus
easy.
too.
Who knew?
Except I am allergic to sesame, so I have to like find it sesame free, which is really hard, or make it myself.
Yeah.
Or
And
like a zucchini hummus is yummy.
I never had that. Oh, that might be a recipe.
Yeah, no, a zucchini hummus. It's really yummy.
Yum.
Yeah.
Do you have any sweet treats yet?
I've not had any sweet treats. I've had my eye on the peanut butter mousse.
Oh, vegan treats?
Whoopie pie. Love them.
Have you ever been to Vegan Treats before?
I have not been to their location, and I'm thinking I would like to try to maybe get there before I head out of town.
Yes.
Because they're from here. They're here in Bethlehem, right?
Yep. And
it's like,
yep.
That's
And they
so
have
exciting.
ice cream, like their local shop. They have ice cream
Oh,
there.
they have ice cream. I didn't
So
know they had
good.
ice cream.
They're delicious. They're the best. The best.
Okay.
So guys, check out her van. Look how cute it is.
Yay! This is my home. I'm so excited to meet you as well.
That's so awesome.
Yay! Okay.
That's so awesome what you're doing.
Thank
I love
you.
it. I think it's amazing.
Thank you.
And I'm so glad
Hopefully
to
I
share
can
it.
stay out on the road.
Oh, you will. That's so amazing.
I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it happen.
You will. So I'll find you on YouTube and Instagram. We'll keep in touch.
Indeed, we'll keep in touch. Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Say bye to Sally.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
So, foodie friends, we had a blast. It was so cool. Never been to Veg Fest before, and I got to meet like a fellow creator, which it was so cool. Like her whole journey. She's traveling the country in a van, and I just thought I had such a great time meeting her. It was such a great day. The food was amazing. The weather was nice, and even though it was so hot, I love the hot weather. Anyway, the kids had a great time. We all had a blast, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give me a like, and also comment below if you want to see more vlogs. I really had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. So it's the end. The sun is setting. I'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to live life on the veg. Bye guys.